What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change Earthlink Wi-Fi name and password. So all you have to do is make sure your phone or computer is connected to the Earthlink Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and in the address bar type 192.168.1.1. This opens your router's login page. Enter the username and password. And then, once logged in, find Wi-Fi settings or wireless settings. Look for a section called Network Setting. Now find SSID, which is the Wi-Fi name, and replace it with your new name. Then find Password and enter a new strong password. Just click Save or Apply after you're finished and your Wi-Fi will restart. Your old Wi-Fi name will disappear. Just connect again using your new SSID and password. The default SSID and password are printed on the back of your router. If you forgot your login details, you may need to reset the router with the small reset button. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.